Okay, so you played around and found, what did you find here?
So I found a number that was pretty close to an integer was 314 to the pi times 100.
So 314 to the pi power.
And then all that times 100.
All that times 100, okay. And Mathematica simplifies that number like this.
Yep.
25 times 2 to the power of 2 plus pi times 157 to the pi. So that's actually an interesting number. Why do you think 314 to the pi power, whole thing times 100, is equal to this? 25 times 2 to the 2 plus pi power times 157 to the pi.
Well, 314 isn't like a really good approximation of, it's like pi times 100 basically.
Uh-huh.
But that wouldn't really, but this is pi exactly. So it might have factored 314 and then split it into these two parts.
Okay, so how does 314 factor, do you think?
So it is, let's see. So it's different. It should have a 314. It has a 157 in it.
Okay.
It also has. It's 157 times 2.
Okay, so we should see 2 times 157 to the pi power. Do we see that?
Well, yeah.
Where?
Well, if you. So, not really sure where this 2 comes from, though.
Okay, but do we have? Do you see something that does make sense?
Well, we have 157 to the pi, and then 2, and then this 2 plus pi.
Okay.
So you do see 2 to the pi somewhat.
Okay, so you do see 2 to the pi somewhat, but you have a mysterious 2 up in that power also.
Yep.
Okay. What happened to our 100? What happened to the times 100? Where did that go?
Actually, it might have been, well, 2 to the, so it's 25, and then this 25 has something to do with it, and then maybe the 2 squared plus pi. 2 squared is 4.
Okay.
So maybe that makes 100 together, but then you have no 2 for this part.
Ah, well, you have 2 to the power of 2 plus pi.
Yep.
Is 2 squared times 2 to the pi.
So that splits into 2 squared for this part for the 100, 25 times 4 is 100, and then 2 to the pi times 157 to the pi.
Nice. Okay, so this was nearly an integer.
Yep.
And in fact, you saw that it was this.
It has 2 zeros.
What is that, 6 billion?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 6,987,725.
544.
Yeah, sorry, I said it wrong. 6,987,725,544. And then the next part is
401 later.
Wow, okay, so wow, all right, so that's neat. So 314 to the pi power, whole thing times 100, is also nearly an integer.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, high five, good work.